to another video on how to use ChatGPT. This one is about how to optimize your soft life. Will guide you through 21 everyday uses, all with prompts, topics, and suggestions to help you use ChatGPT in your everyday life. The topics range from creating a fitness plan to writing jokes and poems, reviewing your resume, recipes, and more. So let's jump in and let ChatGPT help you live a more enjoyable life. ChatGPT is with you every step of the way. Topic 4: Travel and exploration. Embark on a journey of discovery with ChatGPT as you explore all kinds of interesting ways that you could see the world. Have you ever wanted to go to a city but didn't want to do the research yourself? Imagine just saying, what are the top beach destinations where I could go to? You can use the information from ChatGPT to figure out the tourist attractions and the main go to destinations of any city. But remember, the information is not new. So I've gone to chat.openai.com. You click login. If you haven't logged in before, you can just set up. I've just logged in with my Google account, so I am just going to log in that way. Just start typing. What type of information can I give you so that you're the most helpful for me? Be specific, give some background context, give details and requirements, questions and prompts, and clarification. So ask those follow-up questions, and just remember that there's a cutoff for information after September 2021. Topic 4: Travel and exploration. One of my favorite places that I've ever gone to was Bocas de Toro in Panama. If I ever go back, I would love to see some attraction. I asked ChatGPT if it would help me plan a trip there, and it gave me all of these fantastic recommendations from going to Isla Colon, Zapatilla Island, Red Frog Beach, Dolphin Bay, and more. Ooh, I love this. So I changed it because after growing up on the border of Mexico and being fluent as a child in Spanish, now that I live in the South where Spanish isn't as common, I rarely ever have the opportunity to speak in Spanish. So if I was preparing to go to Panama, I would start practicing. So not only have I asked ChatGPT where to go, but I said, hey, can you tell me English and Spanish? So Red Frog Beach, Playa Red Frog. The stunning beach is known for its crystal clear waters and vibrant red poison dart frogs. It's a great spot for swimming, sunbathing, and exploring the surrounding rainforest. Playa Red Frog. Esta interesante playa es conocida por sus aguas cristalinas y vibrantes. Reina Ranas, venenosas rojas, un gran lugar para nadar, tomar el sol y explorar la selva. I can't speak in Spanish anymore. Dolphin Bay, Bahia de los Delfines. Take a boat tour to Dolphin Bay and witness playful dolphins swimming in their natural habitat. It's a memorable experience, especially during the early morning hours. Realiza un tour en bote a la Bahía de los Delfines y observa a los juguetones delfines nadando en su hábitat natural. Es una experiencia memorable, especialmente durante las primeras horas de la mañana. My cheeks hurt because I'm not used to speaking in Spanish anymore. I'm like, I'm listening to myself judging, but let me stop. So another thing someone recently asked me is where they can go to stay within a budget of $2,500. Let's just ask ChatGPT. Thailand, check, been there, love it. Vietnam, check, been there, love it. Portugal's great. Mexico, Cambodia, Hungary, Indonesia, the Czech Republic. The only place I haven't been on this list is Cambodia, and I really want to go there. This is a great list. What about if I just want a day trip going from Atlanta? Ooh, Asheville. I love Asheville. I feel like when I go to Asheville, I'm back in the Bay Area in California. So I love this. And of course, you can keep regenerating. For travel and exploration, you could use ChatGPT to receive destination recommendations based on your preferences. Get insider tips on local attractions, food, and culture, and plan your trips efficiently. Again, it's not like current information, so they might have just had a recent wildfire or flood. Double check that everything is open. I remember when I went to Hawaii and the state park that I planned this huge trip to was closed. So it's good to check the site destinations where you plan a trip somewhere. In this series, we go through 21 ways to leverage AI to enhance your soft life. To assist you, I created an ebook that goes through all 21 topics paired with 3 prompts per topic, giving you 63 ways to use ChatGPT to enhance your soft life. Please check the link in the description to download your free copy today.